Today we are going to show you how to fasten and unfasten the outer visor mechanism of your helmet. First we will show you how to fasten the mechanism. The first step is to pull back the red visor clip and turn the mechanism anti-clockwise. Gently pull the mechanism away from the helmet. To fasten the mechanism again, pull the red visor clip back before inserting the mechanism back into place. Keep the red visor clip pulled back and turn the mechanism clockwise back into place. Please note that each visor mechanism will have a marking stating the left or the right hand side of the visor. Thank you for watching our video.